taking a taxi.
Hello, are you available?
Yes, I am. Please get in.
Thank you. Could you take me to the airport, please?
Of course. Which airport terminal do you need?
Terminal 4, the international terminal.
Got it. Are you flying internationally today?
Yes, I have an international flight.
Okay. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, one big suitcase and a small backpack.
No problem. I'll put the suitcase in the trunk for you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. All set. Let's go.
How long will it take to get there?
It should take about 40 minutes, depending on traffic.
I see. My flight is in 3 hours, so I think I have enough time.
Yes, that's plenty of time. Would you like me to take the highway or local roads?
Please take the fastest way. I don't want to risk being late.
No problem. I'll take the highway. Traffic looks light right now.
That's good to hear.
May I ask where you're traveling to?
I'm going to London for vacation.
That sounds exciting. How long will you stay there?
About a week.
Nice. I hope you have a great trip.
Thank you. I'm really looking forward to it.
By the way, the fare usually costs between $50 and $70, depending on traffic.
That's fine. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card or cash.
Perfect.
Please make sure to fasten your seatbelt.
Oh, yes. Thank you for reminding me.
You're welcome. Safety first.
Absolutely.
We should arrive on time. I'll let you know when we're close.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.